Episode 32, Week 32 usage. As usual, the setup is in the description below. I'm moving straight onto the mileage. The Egolf is now reading 4,789 miles, so we've only done 13 miles in the Egolf, and we've done 225 miles in the Model 3. So that's a total of 3,199 miles since the start of the 2020 logs. Generation meter is now reading 31,750 kilowatt hours, which has given us generation for the week of 107 kilowatt hours. And since the start of the 2020 logs, we've done 2,761 kilowatt hours. The My Energy Eddi's had a little bit of a workout this week, so we're now reading 13 kilowatt hours for the month and 206 kilowatt hours for the year. We've imported 147 kilowatt hours this week, and that gives a total of 6,698 kilowatt hours for the year. The Tesla data is showing that we've had a home usage of 240 kilowatt hours. We've had a solar contribution of 104 kilowatt hours. We've had 66.4 kilowatt hours from the powerwall. We've drawn 148 kilowatt hours from the grid, and we've sent back 3.7 kilowatt hours. On Monday the 3rd of August, we pulled 11 kilowatt hours from the grid and sent back 2.1. We got 9.4 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 20.4 kilowatt hours, which is the most of the week, and we had a home usage of 28.2 kilowatt hours. On Tuesday the 4th of August, we pulled 21.8 kilowatt hours from the grid with 0.1 going back. We got 11.7 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 7.7 kilowatt hours, which was the least of the week, and a home usage of 35.4 kilowatt hours. On Wednesday the 5th of August, we pulled 31.1 kilowatt hours from the grid with 0.1 going back. We got 3.5 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 13.6 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 35.8 kilowatt hours. Thursday the 6th of August, we pulled 8.5 kilowatt hours from the grid. We sent back 0.1 kilowatt hours. We got 3.5 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 13.6 kilowatt hours, and we had a home usage of 20.9 kilowatt hours. On Friday the 7th of August, we pulled 12.5 kilowatt hours from the grid with 0.1 going back. We got 14.4 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 16.1 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 31.9 kilowatt hours. On Saturday the 8th of August, we pulled 24.4 kilowatt hours from the grid with 0.3 going back. We got 10.5 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 18.6 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 43.5 kilowatt hours. And on Sunday the 9th of August, we pulled 39.6 kilowatt hours from the grid with 0.9 going back. We got 9.2 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 14.6 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 44.3 kilowatt hours. So the Tesla Model 3 is having a significant impact on our usage, and this is where I need to decide what I'm going to do about adding more solar or maybe another way of heating the hot water. The gas usage for the week before was 11.08 kilowatt hours with a cost of £1.58, including the VAT and daily charge, which has given us a 2020 cost for gas so far of £44.31. Little update on the Tesla Model 3. We took a day trip to the coast and I left with just enough miles on the GOM to get to the coast and back, but due to the drain in the sentry mode while we were at the coast, I ended up with not enough miles to get back home. So I turned to some real efficiency driving and managed 152 watt hours per mile over 47.2 miles. We did do a bit of drafting behind lorries and things like that, but the efficiency for the Model 3 is really good. And we've also booked in our Tesla service appointments just for a few little niggles from from the Tesla Model 3 that was there before I picked the car up. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, please add it to the section below, and thanks for watching.